Hi, this is Zak Mir, editor of Spreadbet Magazine, with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks amongst private investors on Wednesday, June the 18th. And I'm starting off with Doriemus, which I didn't actually want to look at again so soon because much of what I said before still applies. But Tuesday session did see a rebound off the 200-day moving average as new support at 0.13 pence. That feature is rising, and it just gives a healthier glow, or a healthy glow, to the technicals at the moment. The expectation here is still that we'll have a golden cross buy signal over the next couple of weeks between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, and the run up to this event should and could take the shares back up towards the top of the range, towards 0.25 pence plus. Onto a rather more difficult situation in the form of Castelton technology. And here, basically, we saw a great run up over the turn of the year, December to March. Great run up for the shares, and quite well behaved from a technical point of view. There was a bull flag and a breakout for February and March. The current consolidation since then is understandable, but has become slightly more negative in the sense that we're back at the floor of a rising February trend channel at 0.9 pence, and I presume, or would assume, that there's a risk of a test of May support towards 0.8 pence. But at least while we're above 0.8 pence, I would be looking for the shares and regarding the shares as a positive situation and capable of at least retesting the best levels of 2014 over the near term. Finishing off with rare earth minerals, another stock which is a regular favorite as far as the bulletin board heroes are concerned. Big volume yesterday, and not surprising really in the wake of the rebound off the 20-day moving average at 0.83 pence at the end of last week. A gap fill and a bounce off the gap which started June as well backs up the idea of bullishness there. And we basically have a V-shaped bull flag above the 20-day line, and we've also got an extended RSI recovery line, which I remarked on before. The hope here would be that we are also in the run-up to a golden cross between the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, which would occur over the next week or two. The 200-day moving average has actually gone flat over the last few sessions, but that could be dragged up again as the share price rises. The overall target here remains 1.5 pence, which is the top of a rising November price channel, which I've drawn on the daily chart. And obviously that would also sort of be a close retest of last year's best levels, around 1.5 pence plus as well. That's it from me. More updates at spreadbetmagazine.com.